Hey guys, Ethan here. So tonight I'm going to be making a brief video just showing you guys some cool ideas for this coming Valentine's Day if you do light displays. You know, you traditionally see light displays Easter, Halloween, Christmas, and 4th of July, but I like to do a nice Valentine's display. Now, of course, my Valentine's display is nowhere near the size of summer or Christmas or even Easter. It's more around the size of my St. Patrick's Day display and my 4th of July display. But it is technically the first official display of the new year each year for many people who do light displays. So one thing I like to do, not just for Halloween or Easter, this is the first year I am going to be doing these candy swirls. You can see this is the first year I'm going to be doing them for Valentine's Day. And it makes sense because you think of Valentine's Day candy, candy hearts. So these are kind of like peppermints. Kind of, you can tell by the design, it's pink and purple, this one. And I did a couple other candy swirls, which are basically modeled the same way I do them for Halloween and Easter. But of course they're in pink and purple, and I'd like to do some red yet for Valentine's Day. So all I did was take a light reel. I mean, most of the lights nowadays are sold on these big reel sets. I took that, and you can either leave the cover of it on or take it off. I prefer to take them off, just because if that paper begins to peel, it's gonna wreck your whole design. And if you take it off, it's just the plastic part, and that's not gonna be a problem once it's painted. But anyway, so I just took it, spray painted it, and for this kind of project, you don't need the most expensive kinds of spray paint or the fanciest kind of spray paint. I just go down to my local hardware store, which sells great kinds of paint if you ask me, and just picked up some like white, I believe it's non-gloss spray paint. I believe this one's non-gloss. Or maybe gloss, I'm not sure. And I just spray painted the back of it white, and then I added this pink and purple, which this is actually blacklight paint from Spencer's. They have really good blacklight paint, and I didn't know that till the other day when I went in there and saw it. And it's perfect for what I'm doing because it's not water-based paint, it's permanent paint as far as it details, which is perfect for what I'm doing because these are out in the weather. And we can get some other ugly weather, I mean year-round, but especially like at winter we can get some ugly weather. So it's just the paint I'm looking for, and I'll put a black light shining on it to really make it stand out. And because it's blacklight paint, that's really why I used a white background. To really make blacklight paint or neon or fluorescent paint really shine out, your background should either be white or black. I would not recommend another color, just so that it stands out better. That's just my opinion. And that's basically it. I'm going to top it off. I'm going to get little paper hearts and glue some like in the middle to fill in that hole. Probably paint those a fluorescent or glow-in-the-dark color. And then I'm going to put a plastic wrapping over it and tie it on each end so it looks like the candy, like the peppermints when they come in the packaging. So this is like, it's not completed yet. It's about halfway through. The hard part of it's done. I mean, none of it's really hard, but what you call the hard part's done at this point. And that's about it. So that was just a quick video on something to do for your Valentine's display. Alright, have a good night. Bye-bye.